Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We've got another one from our AI, PDSB. So PDSB had all sorts of news in the pre-market. You can see this is the pre-market right there, the tan area. It's actually starting to drop here. But it was phase two results. But more importantly for me is that a couple of analysts put some pretty lofty price targets on it. I think Stifel put $21 or Wainwright put 21 and Oppenheimer put a $24 price target on it. The AI came out with it at 797. Now that was a little early for me to take a look at it. But like yesterday, look how it's set up again later on when it took out 797 right here. You could have waited all this time and just, I don't know what time that's noon. And then I got into this trade just over $8 and I'm still going to ride it for a while. I did take some out around 850, but again, just having the patience. If it doesn't, didn't set up the perfectly at the beginning, but later on it did, and just take the trade. All right, everybody, have a great long weekend. We'll see you Tuesday.